Hello everyone. Now in the last lecture we saw section 10, that was domestic supply of goods. Now let's see the import or export of goods. So section 11 says place of supply of goods imported into or exported from India. The place of supply of imported into India shall be location of the importer, very simple section, location of the importer, and exported from India shall be location outside India. So in case of import, it will be considered as location of importer, place of supply will be location of importer, and in case of export, it will be deemed to be outside India. Now where outside India? Wherever it may be, who cares? Whether it be Germany or Russia or France or Italy, who cares? It will be outside India. So see the illustration on this. This would be, I think, the simplest section in the whole CGST and IGST acts. Like say, if location of supplier is Thailand and location of goods before supply is not to be considered of note. Place of importer, this is of importance, place of importer. So place of supply will be the place of importer. Okay. So location of goods before supply is nothing to do, and location of recipient is also of no use, no concern. What we have to see is the place of importer. Where is the importer? So if importer is in Assam, then supply will be in Assam. Kashmir, then Kashmir. Kerala, then Kerala. Dubai, this is export. Karnataka to Dubai, this is export. So in case of export, it will be outside India. So here it is written not an import. This is a okay, in this case it is not even an export because the goods are lying in Iran and they are going to Dubai. So if the goods are not coming to India, there is no question of import. Then 11(1)(b) is the export category. Assam, goods are in Assam. And okay, so these points are given there just to tell you that this is import or export, like in this case. Location of goods before supply and they are coming to India. So this determines that it is import. From Thailand to Assam, import. China to Kashmir, import. Sri Lanka to Kerala, import. Iran to Dubai, not an import. But this will not determine place of supply. This will only determine whether the goods are imported into India or not. Similarly, export. What is the definition of export? Taking goods out of India to a place outside India. So for that we'll see location of goods and goods supplied too. So this will determine whether it is export or not. Assam to Thailand, export. Kashmir to China, export. Kerala to Sri Lanka, export. Dubai to Iran, not an export because the goods are outside India and they are going outside India. So it is not an export. So these three are exports. Okay. So in these three cases, what is the place of supply? The place where the goods are going, that is outside India. So if they are going to Thailand, then Thailand. If they are going to China, then China. If they are going to Sri Lanka, then Sri Lanka. So goods supplied to, this will be the place of supply. And the questions, what do you mean by import of goods into India? Bringing goods into India from a place outside India, right? And in case of import of goods into India, what is the location of supply of goods? The location of importer is the supply, is the place of supply of goods in case of import of goods into India. It may be noted that importer has not been defined in the IGST Act. Therefore, the meaning given under the Customs Act will have to be taken. As per 226 of the Customs Act, importer in relation to goods at any time between their importation and the time when they are cleared for home consumption, means when the goods are coming into India and they are cleared. So in between that time includes any owner or a person holding himself out to be the importer. So normally the owner or anyone who says that he is the importer of these goods, means one who has a document of title in his name. He may be an agent, he may not be owner, but he can be an importer. Then in case of export of goods from India, what is the location of supply? Outside India. The place where the goods are going will be the place of supply. So that's a very simple section. Okay, but as we are discussing one section in one lecture, so we'll stop this lecture here and then continue in the next lecture, section 12.